Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about simplifying fractional expressions. Let's take a look. In order to simplify fractional expressions, you need to find common denominators. To do that, you will need to multiply the numerator and denominator of each fractional expression by the same value. Let's take a look at these examples. So I have an x plus 1 over 2 plus 3x plus 4 over 5. I know that the common denominator between 2 and 5 is 10, so I need to multiply this numerator and denominator by 5. So this by 5 and this by 5. Now this expression on the right, I need to multiply by 2. So on the right, I need to multiply by 2. So this is multiplied by 2, and this needs to multiply by 2. Okay, so when I do the multiplication, I get, again, I'm doing the distributive property. Notice how I put those parentheses. So 5 times x plus 1 is 5x plus 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. Now on the right-hand side, I have the 2 times the 3x plus 4. So 2 times 3x is 6x. And 2 times 4 is 8. So 6x plus 8 all over 10. Now when I'm combining like terms, I have the 5x plus the 6x, which is 11x. And I have the 5 plus the 8, which gets me 13. And that's all over 10. So 5 times x plus 1 over 2 plus 3x plus 4 over 5 simplifies to 11x plus 13 over 10. Looking at number 2 here, we have 2x plus 1 over 3 minus x minus 3 over 4. This gets a little more complicated because of that minus sign, so let's get through it. So I have the 2x plus 1 over 3. I know the least common multiple of 3 and 4 is 12, so I'm going to multiply this fraction by 4. And now I'm going to multiply the fraction on the right by 3. Alright, so now going through this, we have the 4 times the 2x plus 1, so 4 times 2x is 8x. And 4 times 1 is 4. So I have 8x plus 4, and it's over 12. Now I'm subtracting. I have the 3 times the x, which is 3x, and I have the 3 times that negative 3, which is minus 9, all over 12. Now there's two ways to think about this. One way to think about this is I am doing 8x minus 3x, remembering that sign in the middle. So 8x minus 3x is 5x. And now I have a 4 minus a negative 9. 4 minus a negative 9. Remember, subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. So that gets me a positive 13 all over 12. For some people, it might help to distribute this negative sign and make this all one fraction. So I'm going to show us how we do that. Again, that minus sign is applying to that entire fraction, so it might be helpful to put parentheses around it like that. And you could put parentheses around this first one, though it doesn't really affect it. So if you wanted to, you can now distribute and write it all over one fraction. So this becomes 8x plus 4, and now distributing that is a minus 3x. So again, that's going to that, and it's going to that negative 9. So that's a plus 9. And then this whole thing's over 12. Now it is a little easier to simplify because I've distributed that negative. I recommend doing it this way. So now we have the 8x minus 3x, which is 5x, and we have the 4 plus 9, which is the positive 13. All over 12. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day. Bye.